dryer, crayon, and double-sided tape. And our protection are gloves and glasses. Let's do it! First, we're gonna put the double-sided tape on the paper. And then get it out. And then we should put the crayon on the double-sided tape. You can put the crayon as you want. Okay, we put the crayon already and we should stick it well with the paper. Okay, now let's blow it. But first, we should wear our protection first. Let's wear our glove and our glasses. Finish, and then we're gonna wear our glasses. I am scientist. Okay, let's blow it. Oops, we're not stick it well. So you should stick it well, okay? Let's blow it! Here, it's melting! Done! Looks cute! If you want to try, let's try with me! Bye! You know what we learned from this experiment? This experiment teaches us that solid can melt to liquid by heat. Yeah, you're correct. But if you don't want to miss my video, you can ring the bell and like and subscribe too. Bye bye!